If you sign up on uTest and you are not getting any project invite, you are not alone. But here's the truth. There's a reason for it, and in this video, I'll show you exactly what you need to fix. A lot of people join uTest expecting to start making money immediately, but weeks go by, sometimes months, and nothing happens. No invites, no projects, no money. I've been there too, but once I fixed a few key things, I started getting opportunities. So let's break it down. The first reason you are not getting invites is simple. Your profile is not complete. uTest prioritizes testers who look ready. That means your profile must be 100% filled. Add all your devices, phone, laptop, OS version. Include your internet type and your experience level. If your profile looks empty, you won't be taken seriously. This one is important. The more devices you had, the more chances you have at getting projects. For example, if you have an Android phone, add your Android phone. Add your iPhone if you have an iPhone. Add your Windows laptop or MacBook. Add different browsers. Each device you had increases your visibility. This one is very important. The more devices you had, the more chances you have to qualify for projects. For example, if you have an Android device, add your Android device. If it is an iPhone, add your iPhone. Add your Windows laptops or MacBook. Add different browsers. Each device you had increases your visibility. Some people actually get invited, but they ignore it or they respond too late. On uTest, timing matters. If you don't accept invites quickly, you get replaced. So always check your email and dashboard regularly. If you have joined but haven't done anything, that's a problem. uTest tracks activity. Even if you get small opportunities, apply for cycles, participate in training, submit test cases. The more active you are, the more visible you become. This is where many people fail. Even if you get invited to a paid project, if your reports are poor, you won't be invited again. You must first learn how to write clear bug reports, add screenshots or videos, follow instructions properly. This alone can change everything. When I started, I wasn't getting anything, but once I fixed my profile, stayed active, improved my submissions, things started changing. And that's exactly why I created my ebook, because I know how confusing it can be at the beginning. In the ebook, I break everything down step by step. How to set up your profile, how to get invited, and how to increase your chances of getting paid. You can find the link in the description or in my bio. If this video helped you understand what you are doing wrong, make sure you like this video and subscribe. And drop in the comments, what stage are you in right now on uTest? Fix these things, stay consistent, and your first project will come. I'll see you in the next one.